Hi there, thank you for watching my video, and today I will show to you how to find a product without using any paid analytic tools. Okay, so we will do it in a very simple way. No payments, no tools, just eBay. First, we're gonna think of a selling product today. So this season, today is summer season, and we should find and search for products that are suitable for summer season, like swimming. Okay, swimming pool. There you go. We will wait for the result. This video is very essential, guys, especially for those who are just starting to do eBay business and has no yet fund to buy a tools for product research. And of course, for those who want to be a virtual assistant in eBay or in e-commerce, you can find some techniques and advices in this video. After this result, we will go to this filter section and click more filters. There you go. We're gonna go to the condition and click new. Why? Because we want our products in new condition. In the price, you can have your price bracket here. Buying format, we're gonna click buy it now because we are not doing auctions or accept offers. Item location, I prefer only UK only, or the country that you are listing for, because this is your target market. Okay, you will not compete to others in European Union and worldwide. There might be some hindrances that might occur when you list in worldwide or European Union. So just stick to your location. In delivery options, we want to see those who are pre-postage, because most of the customers want to have pre-postage. Then show only those who are already sold and completed items. Why? Because we want these items, or we want to search these items that soon to be listed to your eBay store that is already sold. There is a potential customers or market who will buy that product. So let's click apply, then let's wait for the result. After those filters, you will have these results. So this is already sold items. Okay, and let's look for something new product here. Okay, this one. As you can see, this is a very good sample of product. Why? Because it's already sold 35 items, 64 watchers, and 8 sold in the last 24 hours. Imagine that. So there's a potential market here. in this kind of product. And as you look to this seller information, it has already 1 million feedback score. So this is like a legendary seller. Okay, so you can do some scroll or some, you know, some observation to this seller. As you can see, it has a good platform, description, photos that you may add to your store. So what I'm gonna do is copy this seller store, then just create a Google Sheet or Excel sheet. So I already done that. So here's the store name. Okay, just click it. Then copy the link. And you will copy this. Why you're doing this? Because you will need this on your optimization of your product, like SEO keywords and price margin. Okay, so after inputting every data, let's go to Amazon and search the item. Guys, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can create another video in e-commerce or anything that I know when it comes to e-commerce. Okay, so we're having internet interruption here. Okay, so there you go. This is a prime item, and every seller want to have a prime item from Amazon because it is free delivery and it was protected by Amazon. So this is a very good example product. So it's loading. Okay, so here you have the price is $29.99, not bad. Okay, $29.99, and just gonna copy this link so that when you input it to your listing pools, you can track it, and then that's it. This is your good example, or you can add this to your eBay store and start optimizing it so that it will look like more valuable to other listing. Okay, because you can add here inflatable swimming pool, you can put some other keywords here, as what can you see, this party pool. Yeah, you can put it like that. And here's another tips: if you want to have a very good listing, you can copy this title and search it on eBay. Okay, after that, we're gonna look for this. Oh, look at that, 49.95, 49.94. So you can put a price like 40 something from 34, or you can put a 29 is the the original price, and you can put around 40.99 or 39.99. That will be a good income. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learn, and I try my best to give you a good tutorial. So if you like this, please comment below if you have questions, and I will answer it. Okay, thank you.